Here are 25 commonly used English idioms in daily conversations. 1. Break a leg. Meaning, good luck. Example, I have a big audition tomorrow, break a leg. 2. A piece of cake. Meaning, something that is very easy. Example, don't worry, this math problem is a piece of cake. 3. Hit the nail on the head. Meaning, to do or say something exactly right. Example, you hit the nail on the head with that suggestion. It's exactly what we need. 4. Let the cat out of the bag. Meaning, to reveal a secret. Example, who let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party? 5. Kick the bucket. Meaning, to pass away or die. Example, unfortunately, our beloved dog kicked the bucket last night. 6. Cut to the chase. Meaning, get to the main point without wasting time. Example, let us cut to the chase and get straight to the point. 7. Bite the bullet. Meaning, to face a difficult or unpleasant situation with courage. Example, I know it's tough, but we have to bite the bullet and face the situation head on. 8. Keep your fingers crossed. Meaning, hope for good luck or a positive outcome. Example, keep your fingers crossed for me as I go for the job interview. 9. A dime a dozen. Meaning, something that is very common or easily obtained. Example, those cheap trinkets are a dime a dozen at the dollar store. 10. Break the ice. Meaning, to initiate a conversation or lighten the mood in a social setting. Example, to break the ice at the party, I told a funny joke. 11. In the same boat. Meaning, facing a common situation or challenge. Example, we're all struggling with the workload. We're in the same boat. 12. Barking up the wrong tree. Meaning, to pursue the wrong course of action or blame the wrong person. Example, if you think I took your phone, you're barking up the wrong tree. 13. Catch someone red-handed. Meaning, to catch someone in the act of doing something wrong or illegal. Example, I caught my little sister red-handed eating cookies from the jar. 14. It is a piece of cake. Meaning, it is very easy. Example, don't worry, baking cookies is a piece of cake. 15. Pull someone's leg. Meaning, to tease or joke with someone. Example, are you serious, or are you just pulling my leg? 16. A blessing in disguise. Meaning, something that initially seems bad but turns out to be good. Example, losing the job turned out to be a blessing in disguise. I found a better one. 17. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. Meaning, don't assume success or victory before it happens. Example, don't get too excited about the promotion yet. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. 18. Butterflies in the stomach. Meaning, feeling nervous or anxious. Example, I always get butterflies in my stomach before giving a presentation. 19. On cloud 9. Meaning, feeling extremely happy or delighted. Example, she has been on cloud 9 since she won the award. 20. When pigs fly. Meaning, something that is highly unlikely to happen. Example, sure, I'll believe that when pigs fly. 21. Hit the jackpot. Meaning, to achieve great success or receive a large reward. Example, I won the lottery. I finally hit the jackpot. 22. Break someone's heart. Meaning, to cause someone deep emotional pain or sadness. Example, it broke my heart when he ended our relationship. 23. Cry over spilled milk. Meaning, to lament or dwell on something that cannot be changed. Example, yes, I made a mistake, but there is no use crying over spilled milk. 24. The ball is in your court. Meaning, it's your turn to take action or make a decision. Example, I've done my part, and now the ball is in your court. It's your turn to make a decision. 25. Actions speak louder than words. Meaning, what someone does is more important than what they say. Example, don't just apologize, show me through your actions. Actions speak louder than words. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or suggestions. I would love to hear from you. And stay tuned for our next video coming up soon. Stay tuned for our next video coming up soon.